Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall. Today we're standing in a project we just started this week in the Thousand Oaks area.
Not Thousand Island.
What did I say? Thousand Island. I don't know why that came to my head. But we're in the Thousand Oaks area and we're working on a whole house. They just demoed out pretty much the entire floor. And we can show you, we're doing all of the flooring. It's going to be the hardwood looking tiled planks, so it's going to be really, really nice. And at one point the flooring had carpet, tile, and wood, and all of it was just sort of all over the place. So now it's going to be nice and consistent, real pretty all the way through. And then the big thing is the master bathroom and then the shower that's in there. So this, you got to see.
It's quite entertaining. So the house was built in 1979.
Yeah.
It seemed to be a deal back in the 70s to build a shower with like a giant drop section in the middle of it to act as a tub as well, so you didn't have to add a tub. But I think people have found out that it's a little bit dangerous. In fact, I think this client, after we were decided to do the project, slipped and fell in the shower. So
Oh God. Well, and gross. Like,
yeah, it's
in theory it sounds good, but you're gonna like lay in where you stand.
Not for us. So we're going to go to the master, and while we go there, you can see this is basically how the floors are removed. This is obviously a project, an ongoing project, but this has been going on for a few days. We've gotten the carpet out, the tile out, the hardwood that was in the dining room. Basically everywhere else there was either tile or carpet. So where we're going to go now is to the master bedroom, where we can show you what the shower looked like. And if follow us this way. And we have some guys that are in the shower. We'll just have them out of the shower. They can stand there if you want, of course.
Just wave. Guys.
So as you see here, this is Jeremiah and Tim. Tim's hiding. If you look how low the shower is. So basically, you walk in and
I'll get in the shower with you.
That's how it is in this family. Here, watch out. So basically what you have is you have a foot or 2 foot drop in the shower. And you can see it's not really that efficient. It's dangerous.
Not safe.
There's a tub filler over here, so that acted as a tub. So what we're doing is we're raising the shower floor, we're raising the ceiling, and obviously all new tile. Everything will be new inside of there. And we'll put in blocking for grab bars to make it a lot safer as well.
So it'll still be a nice cove and cozy shower that's in here. Everything will just, like Mike said, it'll be raised, and it'll just have all new tile, and it'll be nice and clean. In 2023, we're getting out of the 70s.
That's right. No shag carpet. One of the other things we're doing is we're kind of keeping it somewhat simple in terms of remodel, so we're just updating some things. They really like the cabinets, but we're going to get rid of the countertop, the sink, the faucet, the mirror, the lighting. So we're keeping a lot of stuff. We're just kind of doing some work to it so it's more updated.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with the cabinet.
No,
so if anybody's considering doing anything where they're trying to cut costs in places, if your cabinets are fabulous and they work well, it's a really good place to save some money, and you just update it. Get new countertops, sink, faucets. We're ripping out the mirror here. All the lighting is going to be brand new. So it's really just giving it a nice facelift. And once everything is done on the floor and this is all done, the shower's all done, it's going to look like a whole new palace.
Not in the 70s. So that's what's going on here. The next time we're here, there'll be a lot more progress as well. And it'll be neat to see. So thanks for joining us.
Yeah.
And follow us on all the social media stuff. I still have no idea what that is.
Social media stuff. If you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up. And of course, always share with your friends, your family, your neighbors. And that would mean everything to us. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.